Yeah, Irie, man. Irie. Hey, it's Todd the Dirt Man, and welcome to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. Jamaican jerk chicken style. That's what we're doing today. Jerk chicken. One of my favorite recipes from when I was on my honeymoons 20 some odd years ago. This is an amazing recipe, so let's get started. All right, here let's talk about the recipe here, but I first want to give a shout out to Sam the Cooking Guy. I'm a big fan of his. I watch his show pretty often. Here's a link to his site or his channel. I'm kind of doing an adaptation to his recipe. We're gonna start off with the chicken. He does not have cilantro, but I love it. It has some fresh cilantro, so I'm gonna use it. Here's some fresh ginger, some garlic. Instead of brown sugar, which you can use, I'm using Turbinado sugar. Love it. It's a great sugar to use. We've got some olive oil. We have some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to have some lemon juice, some lime juice, and then we also have some spices. We've got the ginger. We're going to do some more ginger, allspice, a little cinnamon. We've got an onion. We've got the green pepper. And then the two stars of this show, of course, you know, I am the star, but the true stars over here. We got the Todd's Dirt Seasonings. We're using the original dirt, which is going to work amazing on here. And then we've got the two habaneros. We got the habanero peppers. These things are amazing. They're hot as heck. We're going to start off with the onion. We're going to put that in here. We're going to take 3 of the green onions. We're going to put that in there. We're going to take the ginger next. This is fresh ginger. And we're going to use some cilantro, which I like. I think it's absolutely amazing. All right, now we're going to put the garlic. You guys very well know I love garlic. So we're going to put 2 big tablespoons of garlic. You can use fresh garlic. All right, next thing we're going to do is, don't drop it, Todd, the habaneros. So before I mess with these darn things, let's attempt to try to put these on, Josh. Really? Dr. Dirtman in the house. Let's do the habaneros. So we're gonna do 2 of them. Just cut off the stem, and then I'm just gonna cut them just like so. All right, now we're gonna cut the second one. Just cut the stem right off. Cut it in half, that's all you really need to do. Put it in here. Remember, these things are freaking hotter than heck. All right, now we're gonna take the turbinado sugar. We're gonna put about a 1/4 cup of this in here. Then we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of the allspice, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to get out the Todd's Dirt. We are going to do 2 tablespoons. And now we're going to go with the liquids. We're going to do the Worcestershire sauce. And about a teaspoon of that. There's some more. We're going to do some lemon juice. Maybe a couple teaspoons of that. A couple teaspoons of lime. And then we are going to use about a 1/4 cup or so of the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then we're gonna mix. All right, let's put all this stuff together. Let's take the top off. Oh man, this smells good. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, that smells really good. All right, so we're gonna put most of this stuff right in here into a plastic bag. You can put it in a bowl. We're gonna save some of this, put on while we're on the grill. All right, next thing you wanna do is you can use any kind of chicken you want. I'm gonna mark these up really well. That way there's more surface point on here so the marinade can get in here really well. Mix this up. We're going to close it up. And then, oh yeah. Let's mix, mix, mix. Baby, mix, mix, mix. All right, and we're gonna take this mixture right here and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it sit for about an hour, 2 hours, and we'll meet you outside with the grill. All right, we're now outside. You know, this is my happy place. Dirt Man is ready to be happy because we're cooking, we're grilling. And you know I love to grill. So let's get started. We're gonna do the chicken here right on the Weber. Now, key with any time you are grilling chicken is you do not want to be on high. You want to be on medium to low. Do it slower. Take your time on there. Don't burn the skin. You know, I know you probably have heard that before, but it's a really big key, especially with this one. Take your time. Listen to that. Oh yeah, look at those. Oh yeah. Close it up. And we're just going to stay on top of this the whole entire time. You don't really want to go too far. You start seeing a little smoke, little flare-outs. Be prepared for it. And we'll just keep turning it over every, say, 4 to 5 minutes.
All right, here's a little behind the scenes of what the Dirt Man does when he's not on camera.
Really? All right, we turned this on, opened it up. Excuse me, we just opened it up. And now we're basting these. It's been on for about 4 to 5 minutes. And I've kind of turned them. And then we'll close it back up in another 5, maybe 8 minutes. We'll flip it over. All right, now we're gonna flip these over. Come on. Oh yeah. And we will baste the tops again. And then we'll close it up and we'll check it on in another 5 minutes. All right, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh yeah, that's looking yummy. Oh gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That took about 40 minutes total time of cook time. Oh yeah, yummy, yummy. It's always better when you got dirt in your tummy. Yeah, man. Now we get to bite into this chicken. I cannot wait to try this jerk chicken. I don't think I've acted like too much of a jerk today, have I? Josh, been pretty cool? Yeah. All right, that sounds good. So let's try some of this chicken. Let's bite into it. I'm telling you, this is fantastic. The flavors are great. Everything we put in there, you can taste the flavors all melded together in here. It is fantastic. It is so good. I even got her dancing now. This is my daughter Taylor. Please subscribe. Remember, you can purchase Todd's Dirt at Amazon, also toddsdirt.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, all those things. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.